If you're anything like me, cleaning your pool is probably one of those chores you keep putting off. Between the leaves, dirt, bugs, and constantly dragging out equipment, it can be a lot of work. And even when you have a pool man, I still will experience floaters and unidentified things in the pool, as you see here. It definitely gets dirty in between cleanings. So today, I'm testing out the iGARDEN K70 robotic pool cleaner to see if it can actually take over that job and keep my pool clean with almost no effort from me, which would be amazing. What immediately stood out to me is that this is completely cordless. There's no cables floating around the pool and there's no tangles to deal with, which honestly is a very big deal. So the K70 features up to 7 hours of runtime in floor cleaning mode, and it has a very large debris basket, which is designed to hold everything from leaves to fine dirt. So I'm going to talk about some key features now that I threw it into the pool. So the K70 uses smart 3D navigation, systematically cleans instead of randomly bouncing around like some older pool robots. It can clean the pool floor, climb walls, and scrub the water line for full coverage, as you can see here. It also has turbo mode that increases the suction power when you're dealing with heavier debris after a storm or windy day. And you see I'm using the app here to control it and turn it into turbo mode, which is another amazing feature that I love. The app is so user friendly. And again, I was able to just turn it into turbo mode directly from my phone. Another feature I think pool owners will appreciate is the automatic cleaning timer. You can set the cleaning intervals so the robot helps maintain the pool without constantly having to think about it. As you saw on the screen there, I was able to set the timing as well. What I find to be most impressive is within a few minutes, the K70 is moving in a very deliberate pattern across the pool floor. So it's not really wandering randomly. It seems to map out a cleaning path. And I will be honest with you, I've used pool robots before and I've put them in the pool and they've just kind of gone absolutely haywire. They had no exact like cleaning pattern, so they just kind of like went everywhere and it ended up being like a huge mess. As you can see here, it's a little hard to see, but it's going back and forth cleaning that back pool floor area, which is in the deep end, and it's doing a really great job. This is definitely an area that I can't even reach with my current pool equipment, so that is definitely a huge deal for me. One thing I really wanted to test out was its ability to climb the walls and clean the water line, because that's usually where the dirt and buildup become most noticeable. Especially for me, as you see here, I chose white waterline tiles, so they definitely show everything a lot more. So being able to have this where it actually cleans the water line has been amazing. Now, I think I've seen enough to judge if the iGARDEN K70 is one of the best pool cleaning robots on Amazon. And I will say that this is not the only pool cleaning robot I've tried. The first one that I tried was corded, and although it did an amazing job cleaning the pool, once I got used to and started using one that was cordless, I saw that it was definitely way better and so much easier and user friendly, and definitely could get a much better clean in my opinion, and it was just more user-friendly without the cord. The last one that I used before the iGARDEN was cordless, but there was such a learning curve for me. I felt like now that I've used the iGARDEN, I didn't realize that one of these pool cleaning robots could be so user-friendly. This was so easy for me to set up, so easy for me to use. It's not super techy and difficult to like set up. You just scan the QR code, download the app. The app is very user friendly. So I felt like this is the best pool cleaning robot I have used. I definitely think this is one of the best options that they have on Amazon, simply because, as I mentioned, it's just so easy to just put it in the pool, turn that app on. You saw I was able to set it so quickly and just go. I went back in the house. I let this do its thing, and I was so impressed. I feel like all in all, some of the standout features are obviously that it is completely cordless. When you do have the corded option, it is going to be a little bit more limiting and it's not going to be able to clean as much, especially if you have a pool of my size. Some of the cords aren't even the proper size to like reach all areas of the pool. This also has a very long battery life, which I like. The other one that I tried that wasn't cordless, the battery died quite often, which was not great. And then this one obviously has the wall and water line cleaning, which is super important. And keep in mind, not all of them do. It has the large filter basket, which I'm about to get into. It's very easy to maintain. It has that smart navigation system, and it really does have strong suction performance. Now that this pool cleaning cycle is coming to an end, it is time to get this thing out of the pool, and I want to share with you guys what it picked up in that basket. But it has this cool little hook attachment that you can put on your regular pool pole. It made it so easy to get this out of the pool. That's another thing I love. As a disclaimer, my pool man was here just a few days ago. So let's see what we got in here, because honestly, I was shocked. Look at how much this thing picked up. And I'm going to show you from a different angle so you can just see. This is after my pool being cleaned just 3 days ago. There are worms in here. We have a snail that has come out of its shell. We have a bumblebee down there. And we have just a ton of like dirt and debris that already built up in just a few days of the pool not being clean. So definitely think that this did an amazing job at cleaning up the pool, and I will be using this all the time. All you have to do is take a hose and get all of that gunk and stuff out of there. I would definitely say that I love the large size of this debris basket, as well as how easy it is to clean. You just take the hose and go ahead and hose it off and get all of that nasty stuff out of there, and now you have a clean pool. I think overall, the iGARDEN K70 does exactly what most pool owners want. It saves time. It also, in my opinion, cleans at capacities I wouldn't be able to. My pool is a little bit over 8 feet deep, so getting the deep end clean is just not possible without something like the iGARDEN K70. And instead of spending your weekends vacuuming your pool, this robot will handle a majority of the work for you. The long run time, smart navigation, wall climbing ability, and powerful suction make it feel much more premium than most entry-level robotic cleaners I've tested. This is definitely one of the best on Amazon. If you're looking for a cordless pool robot that can help keep your pool swim ready with very little effort, the iGARDEN K70 is definitely worth considering. Look at how sparkly clean it has my pool. I'm super excited about that. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe for more home decor and outdoor product reviews, and let me know in the comments what you'd like me to test next. A huge thank you to iGARDEN for sending over this pool robot, as well as sponsoring today's video. And as always, thank you guys so much for supporting my channel and watching. If you enjoyed, make sure to give the video a thumbs up, as I already mentioned, and subscribe if you haven't already to my channel, because there will definitely be more fun videos coming up. Again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!